Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about my card club for May. So I've started a monthly card club where I send products to you, and you get to make 2 of each of the cards that I have in my kit. You'll get a half a pack of designer series paper, a full bolt of ribbon, and some embellishments. This month we are using the Impressions Abloom bundle, and so I'm going to flip my camera and we can go ahead and look at that. All right, so the Impressions Abloom bundle is a new one from Stampin' Up. I believe it's in online exclusives, which came out yesterday along with the catalog, all the catalog product, but we also had a whole bunch of online exclusives that came out. This is one of those stamp sets that I absolutely love. I've always loved two-step stamping, and this is no different. So the images on the case are actually shown at 95%, so they're a little bit bigger, just a little bit bigger than the actual images on the front of the case. It comes with a die set that coordinates with the stamp set, and I'm going to show you this because it's really cool. There are pieces such as this one that cut out stamped images. This is a standalone die of leaves. There are some that go together. So like this piece actually fits in here. And I'm just kind of guessing right there we go. So it goes like this, and when that cuts out, it not only gives the flower texture, but it cuts out the image as well. Now when I do this, I probably would tape them together as I cut them out. So those are that. There, like I said, there's leaves, there's flowers, but all of these flower images, the outlines cut out the images in the stamp set, including the insides and the leaves. So, but one of my favorite things on this is this frame. And so this is the die. This will cut out a frame to go with this. So I usually cut, I'll show you, but I cut this one out and then add this to the top of it to make a little picture frame. It's very cool. And then we have these little tiny standalone flowers too. So there's lots in this die set that adds cutouts and texture. And like I said, there's many standalone pieces. It also, I've used the new pressed flowers embossing folder in this. So let me show you what comes in the kit, and then I'll show you the cards. And so in this particular kit, you're going to get a half a pack of this designer series paper. And this month I'm going to leave it 12 by 12 because we're doing a different fold. But this is beautiful paper. I just absolutely love it. And I need it this time of year because, you know, we did have snow the last couple days. It's sunny today, but very windy, and they tell me it's going to be warm here over the next couple days. But anyway, this is the paper. Beautiful. I just love it. And then, like I said, you'll get a full pack of the strawberry slush pretty in pink embellishments that will come with your kit. And then the silver and white ribbon. This is one of my favorite ribbons, so that's the one I used for this. Also in your kit, you'll get a couple of sponge daubers because we're going to use a technique with those. And so they'll come in the kit for this month if you're interested. So the cards for this month, like I said, you'll get all the cardstock to make the cards that I've made here, 2 of each in the kit. But they're very pretty. This is what I was talking about, that oval. So you'll see that oval where I embossed the underlayer, and then this is the frame. And then I also embossed on the inside of the card. So you'll get all the, like I said, all the papers ready to go. Cute. I love those. And then this one is kind of a different fold. I'll just pull that off. But when you open it up, it's pop open card. And I love this paper. So very simple, very fun. So let me flip back to my camera. So I just want to let you know that my monthly card kit is a subscription. You sign up. I'll have a link down below in this YouTube video where you can sign up on a monthly basis. You'll just sign up through PayPal and it will bill you each month until you decide to cancel. And like I said, every month you'll get videos and PDFs and links to the projects that I've made. So I hope that you think about it. It's a great way to get some fun products and make some great cards and learn some techniques, because I'll always share that. All right, I hope you have a great day, and if you haven't already done so, sign up for my newsletter so you can keep informed on everything that's going on in my Stampin' Up! World, which lately seems to be a lot. Anyway, take care, and I will hopefully speak to you soon. Bye.